Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube videos. This is the home of the 5-minute or less video. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. This August, I will have done IRS work for the last 50 years. Yes, and don't I look good for it? Anyway, I have a whole team of former IRS agents. You can find my information in the description section below, and I do these videos for 3 reasons. Number 1, so you don't get ripped off. 2, insider information and former IRS agent telling you what you need to do or hear me what I'm saying. And then 3, so you get some information you need to know to make determinations really on your case. If you want to know more about me, and I've done a bunch of TV interviews, you can go to my website. You want to meet my team at 777irs.com. You can go ahead and learn about who in fact that we are. We handle everything from a simple notice or letter to going to tax court, and we are true experts really in the industry, knowing everything that we really need to know. Don't look at that black cat or you'll have bad luck. If he comes back again, that's Addison. Don't look at that cat. Addison always comes out when I'm doing these videos. Usually the damn cat's sleeping there, but I should have got a white cat. Anyway, at the end of the day, I did doing this video because people ask me, can IRS go ahead and seize my home or my business? Can IRS do that? And the answer is yes. IRS, in fact, can do that. As a former revenue officer, I both used to seize businesses and actually seized houses. It's a lot harder nowadays than it was when I worked at IRS. IRS has really tightened the reins to make sure the revenue officers are following good judgment, in fact, to do that. But a quick answer is yes. Why can IRS seize your home? Well, it's federal law, not state law. It doesn't make any difference if your home is homesteaded or not, because IRS tax is federal and they supersede your state law. So understand, IRS can, and in the right situation, seize your home. Why would they do that? They would do this usually in egregious situations that you owe the tax, you haven't filed a number of years, you completely disregarded them, you've had equity in the home, IRS has asked you to borrow that equity in the home, and you just absolutely do nothing. A lot of times these cases are built on egregiousness or you're not wanting to cooperate with the IRS, but that's in fact why IRS would seize a residence. They don't do that a lot. I think last year IRS seized in the neighborhood of 550 things or assets. I can't tell you what they are. IRS doesn't list what they are. God, back when I was working there, each revenue officer would probably seize at least 100 or 50 to 100 assets themselves a year. So things have changed. As far as businesses, IRS can do the same. If you're pyramiding taxes, your 941s, you're not filing or making federal tax deposits, IRS can put locks on the door. I've done that. They have an auction company come in and they will go ahead and sell everything. But with both of these require, signatures well above the revenue officer up and down the line to make sure that these seizures are warranted. They don't want to seize anything they don't have to, but you shouldn't give IRS the reason to go ahead and take your business. I will tell you, if you are pyramiding 941s and you're not filing and you're not cooperating with IRS, you're allowing them to go ahead and open the door to do that. So if you ever want to know how to get on the good graces of IRS or not ever have that happen, you can contact us. I mean, we know the system well. Contact whoever you want. It doesn't make a difference. But I just want you to know that IRS can and has the ability and the right to go ahead and do that. But don't let that happen. The big things you can do to always stay away from that is keep your normal tax deposits up, both business and personal, and file all your returns. Don't give IRS a reason to say that. So if you're current and you file, IRS is going to have a tough time doing it. Thank you for listening to my video. If this video was worth a damn to you, please give me a subscription if you would. IRS actually rates us on subscriptions. They moves us up. So if you do that, I would certainly go ahead and appreciate it. Leave me a comment if you want. You want to know an answer to a question, go ahead and leave it. Anyway, I do appreciate the subscription. I'm over my time. It's 5:04 right now. I've got to get off. So anyway, thank you very much.